Okay, let's start a new game, everyone. So this game is what I'm excited about. I will catch the stars to get points. Okay. So that's an outline. I'll start this game in a simpler way. Return to the main menu. Go to the main menu and go to your folder, then New File. Here choose the game and choose your name. Here is lesson number 3. What game is this? Okay. Apple. Banana. Okay, just like starting another game, I will choose the main flag. Then I will choose the background. Background and sprite will attach into the lesson. I will set this as B1. I'll attach the sprite to something. Zero, 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 zero already. Here, I will select the asset for the background. I'll choose a game first. Sprite. Well, now, I will choose the character and background. I can choose something for the background, right? So for this article, I will choose jungle. Here you can make adjustments. Here you guys can fix something. Honey, this is too low, then I can fix it too. Okay. Fix it up to look beautiful. Then that is the background. As for the character, I will choose. Now, what will I choose? Animals. Okay, I'll choose this one. Damn it. And whatever one falls down, I will choose. Banana, let's go. I will delete those. Now I will delete this. Already. So when I go back to the background, I will choose jungle, sprite, image, I will choose banana. Already. So I will let you choose the background image that you find more suitable. This picture is a bit small, okay. Which one will you choose? Yes, okay, that's it. Then, next I will create the second character, my second character, maybe I will name it clearly. For example, this is banana. This is monkey, okay. I will name it clearly. And now I will adjust the position. Here I will bring it down right. Here I'll subtract 200. Here I will bring it up to 200. Here I will subtract 100. Already. Next, I'll make this higher. That is the initial position. I can randomize the original position of the banana. Here I will randomize. Example here. This is x minus 300. 300. And the initial position of this is 240. Minus 130. Such an example. Then, next I will let it fall. Falling down, here I will use the speed of vertical direction ha. So I will use game loop. And this time it will be easy banana. Its direction will gradually decrease. Okay. And when will it go down below, right? So here I will reduce it a bit. And it's decreasing, so we'll compare the baby. Compare babies, right? For example, here is minus 250 flying off the screen. Location of bananas. Bring the XBO variable, and you guys replace it here. Is banana, y. Then I will put it up. Now I'm equal to the original value, 240. Okay. That's it, it's like that all the time. The problem is that I need to change the location, so here I need banana, x. Hey, I'll randomize it again like before. Then it's a banana. Now, I control the character. I can use a function here to make it clearer. So here I will use a separate function here. I call it control monkey. When going, go. Or go. So here I will call the function. It's okay to put it in front. It's okay to put it in front. Before the game loop is fine. Okay, then I'll come over here and make it clear. Here I will also say if the that. Left, right. So here I will use if to control the character. When I will roll down like this. At this point, I only control the monkey character. Choose X. Okay. And I need to turn around. When I turn around, I will use scale X. Here I use scale, capital letter X, scale X. Equals -1. -1, and here, I will return it as before. Yeah. So I can too. What will I do next? I check the collide. So right here, I also have to use if ha. If these two characters touch each other like that, I will use collide below. Then the collision between these two is X. Okay. Banana. So my job is to initially change the banana to the same. Okay. This one isn't very nice. I'll change my scale again. So here I will change my scale to smaller, just 0. 5 is just nice. So here I will change the scale. Scale is 0. So here I will subtract 0, 5. Here it is 0, 5. Then you will still see that this is minus minus. So go. Well, you see this over there. Okay. Is there something else wrong? Ah, it's skewed. It's skewed here, it's skewed. So you can adjust it to see it more clearly. So here I will use the select. Here I will select all here, right? Select. I will choose, I will adjust it. Keep it from getting skewed. Already. After that, I will use the part to get scores. To get scores, I will use the text. Here I will use a text. And score as always. You can reintroduce text and score. Score is here. Done, you can use text. 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 This will take point X, point Y here is 80. Okay, so this will get the score. And remember that I will globalize the score. Here I will global score, and finally I will increase the score here. And I need sound. I will select the sound here. Sound, select sound, and I will select here. Okay. Okay, I'm done. Done with this game. Okay, thank you.